Hello everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name is Linda and I am here today because I've been a naughty girl, guys. I have broke my no yarn purchase for this year. I've broken the shop in my stash and I've purchased from about 4 places. How naughty am I? So how naughty am I, guys, eh? Very naughty, very naughty. But it makes me happy and that is all that matters. So the first place that, well, it's my sock yarn subscription that I have every month from Beehive Yarns. And this month I'm doing the A Very Vintage Yarn Club, and that is the picture for this month. And of course it's Marilyn Monroe, and this is the sock yarn for this month. Isn't it just, I mean, it matches the picture almost, you know. It's just amazing. So Beehive Yarns, and I think, guys, I'm going to have this as my thumbnail. So yeah, so I love Beehive Yarns. They are it's a superwash merino, and this particular one is called Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, and it's 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon, 465 yards, 425 meters, and the mini skein is 20 grams and 85 meters approximately. Hand wash, dry flat, and they are going to make a beautiful pair of socks. So yeah, so that is that. So, and I keep all my bougie yarn in these organza bags. So that's that one. Then I noticed I've the rest of the yarn, well, the next lot of yarn is I bought in the sale, and this is from Botanical Yarns, and this was there's no ball bands on these because these are kind of what's left over, and that. And so we've got peach is the Pantone colour for this year. So there's these two, and I believe these are 50 grams. I know Botanical Yarns is superwash merino and nylon, so I've got the lovely peach colour, and then I've got this beautiful like mauvey colour. And then I've got these in, you know, the little organza bags. I like keeping my bougie yarn. And then I did get 6 of these, but our June took 3, and I was left with 3. Ooh. Oh dear, it's gone all the way over there. And I was left with these minis. And the reason I got the minis, and I like my minis, is that I can add these to my blanket. Well, I've got 3 blanket, 2 knitted blankets, haven't I, which are my Advent Scrappy, and I plan to add these to my scrappy blankets, the Jelly Roll and the Cozy Memories. So that is them. And then I got myself, oh no, sorry, this is from Beehive Yarns. This is from Beehive Yarns, guys. She had, you could pick them from, you know, just potluck kind of thing. So I got 6, and our June picked 3, and I picked 3. And then I got this Phlox tulle, which I've been after, which I plan to use on my cable cardigan. And you've not seen it yet, and I'll show you it because I've actually purchased the yarn for it. So I've got that. And then I bought myself some stitch toppers. I bought some pussycats, and I bought myself some daisies. One of them is rolled over the other side of the room. So yeah, so these I got from Beehive Yarns. All the companies that I'm talking about I will put in the description box below. And yeah, so that's that. Then Blue Fern was having a sale, Blue Fern yarns, and I've got a free sample of the ukulele. I've not tried this. I use soak for my delicate, you know, for my ones, so I've got this, so I'm going to give this a try, see what that's like. And then I got myself, I got a little bag which says Blue Fern thank you from Shannon at Blue Fern, and I got a tea bag, coffee, and my favourite all-time biscuits, a Biscoffee. So I got them, and I got information, useful information, yarn information on how to look after my yarn and that. So, and it tells you untwist, how to hank it up. And then the Summer Wool Festival, which is the 27th and 28th of July in Bedfordshire. And then the 10th and the 11th of August at the racecourse in Newcastle. And then the 7th of 8th of September at Newbury. I'm not sure. June and I are going to Amsterdam, so we won't be able to do the shows this year because obviously we're going away to Turkey, and then we're going to, where else are we going? Then we're going to Amsterdam, then we're going to a retreat, so we won't be doing any shows this year. So, which is, you know, can't have everything. And then and then I got myself, well, I got June some as well. I saw these. Sorry guys, you know what it's like when your things are in here. So, I didn't. They must have only had one set, but I'm sure I could have sworn I bought two. Anyway, so I've got some snowflakes, toppers, and I got myself, I saw these and I just thought I've got to have these. So excuse the language on the cup. I'm not going to say it. Oh, fresh out of fluffs. I'm not going to say the word, but you can see it. Fresh out of fluffs. So I got myself them. I thought they were quite hilarious. And that is all I bought. And then I got some, sorry, and then I got the yarn. And I got this yarn. And it's called Snow is Falling. So I got two of them. And it is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 425 meters, which 465 yards and 100 grams. But look at the flex. I love flex in my yarn. So I'm super, super happy with this yarn. So that's that. That's what I bought from Blue Fern. So I purchased yarn from Beehive Yarns, Botanical Yarns, Blue Fern Yarns, and now I bought yarn from somebody that I saw on Instagram, and it's called Rainbow Fusions, Karina Skelton, and they are in the UK. So that's another one. I think she's taken a break for the time being because that's why she had a sale. And I got These are 250 grams. Carnations, which is actually January birthstone. It's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and 212 meters, which is 50 grams. So I think they will look nice with a nice grey. I'm thinking a nice grey colour might go with them. So that is what I bought. But I also bought these, which is called Mermaid's Hair. It's zebra yarn, and it's a 4-ply, 400 meters, 100 grams, and it's called Mermaid's Hair. But look at it, guys, can you see? It's the zebra yarn, and I'm thinking if I put that with another colour, that will look nice in a shawl. And I know Stephen West is bringing out a shawl on Friday. Anyway, I'm going to put these towards a shawl, and I'm thinking they might go really nice together as a shawl. I'm not sure, maybe a darker colour. I'll have to go through my stash and see what dark colour I've got, and yeah, so that is definitely going to be a shawl. Whether I just do it all in this, I'm not sure. I'll have to have a think about it. But yeah, what do you think? Do you think a shawl? I'm definitely leaning towards a shawl with that. And last but not least, I have been after an Aran cardigan pattern, and I bought this off Etsy or eBay, one of the two. Anyway, I purchased this pattern, and I am super excited to start this. So obviously, with it being vintage, obviously the yarn that it mentions in here, it doesn't have, so excuse the crinkle at the moment while I take it all out. So I ordered some Drops Charisma. So I've got the Drops Charisma, and I've actually bought the Aran coloured yarn. This is the Drops Charisma. It's 100% wool, and it's colour number 1, which is, they call it an off-white, which is what Aran is. 4-weight, it's 50 grams, 100 meters, 109 yards. And so I decided, okay, I went by the gauge. So the gauge on the pattern and the gauge on here kind of estimated, and it said that I would need for my side about 50 gram balls. So what I did, I calculated it, and I knew then with the difference in the gauge what I would need, and I ordered, I think I ordered 22, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I ordered 20 where it said 13, but I thought it's that type of yarn that if what's left over, I could make fingerless gloves, I could make a hat, it could go towards to work with something else with colour work. But it is Drops Charisma, and it's off-white colour, and it's 01, and I got it from Wool Warehouse. So obviously I bought that, and then I bought some of this Drops Bell. I want to do a couple of summer tees for myself, and this is a 4mm, so this is a DK, and it's again, this is the off-white. Was it the off-white colour, or was it stone? It's number 26. So if you look what number 26 on the Wool Warehouse, it's the Bell Drops Bell Bell Unicolor Everyday Luxury, and it is actually, let me see what it is, it's cotton, viscose and linen, so that'll make a really nice tee. I've got a pattern, I purchased a pattern the other day that I'm going to make. If you just bear with me, I'll get the pattern down. So it's either going to be that one, Ziva, or it's going to be Kitty Hawk, this one. So I just need to work out what the what my gauge is going to be and decide on the pattern. But yeah, so I've got kind of neutrals today with the drops. I have used drops yarn before and it is really nice, but this is I wanted this for this cardigan. So that's all. Which was your favourite? Have you got any pattern summer tea pattern suggestions? I'd be interested to hear. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I will see you all in the next video, whenever that may be. Take care everybody, bye for now.